A final non-conference tune-up also tops the Window World Sports Desk tonight. Oklahoma State basketball with its final game before opening Big 12 play this afternoon at Gallagher-Iba Arena. Texas A&M-Corpus Christi the opponent, and the Pokes going home for Christmas in a good mood. Bryce Thompson coming off a 19-point performance against Wichita State. It's Cisse making noise early, though, throwing down the alley-oop from Avery Anderson. Pokes up 18-6 early. Later in the first, it's Cisse again. Defense turning into offense. The block, that sets up Anderson to Thompson for three. Cowboys led 44-20 at halftime. Second half, Pokes up 26. Cisse misses the free throw, gets his own rebound, and then the throwdown. He had 12 points, 14 rebounds. Thompson led with 13, 4 of 8 from three. Cowboys cruise 81-58. Here's John Holcomb with more.
The Cowboys have been a work in progress on the offensive end, but if the last two games are any indication, then they could be a very dangerous team in Big 12 play when it gets going on New Year's Eve afternoon at Kansas. 22 assists on 29 made field goals and 4 players in double figures.
It's a product of practicing the right way, and our practice have been really, really good. Guys are starting to be more committed to, again, making plays for their teammates. So when you see, a guy drive in and automatically, instinctively just throw it to a guy wide open without thinking about taking another dribble, you can see that it's paying off. Now the shooters are more prepared to shoot.
So at this point, with only Ole Miss left in the non-conference schedule, the Cowboys are 8-4 heading into league play, and it is tough from the beginning. At the Jayhawks on New Year's Eve afternoon, then welcoming West Virginia to Stillwater on January 2nd. In Stillwater with the Cowboys, I'm John Holcomb.